CSI College of Engineering, which holds the privilege of being the only engineering college in Nilgiris, was started in the year 1998. It is approved by AICTE New Delhi and Government of Tamil Nadu and affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. This college seeks to impart value-based technical education to its students in order to meet the growing needs of such technocrats and entrepreneurs required in industries and business establishments. The Church of South India, Coimbatore Diocesan Council, pioneers in running educational institutions from pre-primary to post-matriculation and postgraduate levels, all known for their academic standards and discipline, is overseeing the CSI College of Engineering. The then Bishop of the CSI Coimbatore Diocese established this institution with a noble intention for the upliftment of the rural area of Nilgiris, and under the guidance and leadership of our Bishop, Right Reverend Timothy Ravinder, is fulfilled.
CSI College of Engineering holds a proud banner, ranking second under the largest valley in Asia.
And now has 6 undergraduate courses and 4 postgraduate courses. Undergraduate courses such as BE in Mechanical, Civil, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, along with Information Technology. It also offers postgraduate courses in Structural Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Manufacturing Engineering, and Power Electronics and Drives. The entire college campus is equipped with a Wi-Fi connection with speeds of 100 Mbps, utilizing a 1:1 leased line from BSNL. The campus also has sports infrastructure covering cricket, football, badminton, volleyball, table tennis, basketball, hockey, kabaddi, and so on, where students were encouraged and also have won prizes in various levels. A sophisticated library facility available for students and staff with books in every discipline, along with e-journals and various publications. Our students were placed in various companies like TCS, Wipro, CTS, Amazon, Microsoft, Samsung, Nokia, Sonic World, Infosys, IBM, L&T, Accenture, HCL, Bosch, Oracle, MRF, DHL, Cisco, Siemens, Tata, and so on. Our college has separate hostel facilities for boys and girls. We can accommodate 800 students and provide hygienic food, sanitation, and a safe environment. We have additional guest house for parents who visit their wards. In case of emergency, we have a dispensary inside the campus. The Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering offers both BE Electrical and Electronics Engineering and ME Power Electronics and Drives course. This department also has fully equipped labs. The Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering was established in the year 2009. The students learned the principles and design of devices ranging from wireless and satellite communication systems, integrated electronics, imaging and sensing devices, to internet-based information technology. The Computer Science and Engineering Department was established in the year 1998. It offers both undergraduate and postgraduate courses in this discipline. This department houses well-equipped labs and also facilitates industry practices through industry collaborations besides knowledge in latest technology. The experienced and dedicated faculty help the students to understand, analysis, and develop software products and solutions using standard practice. The Civil Engineering Department is the latest of branches. It was started in the year 2009. This discipline deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment. The labs of the department have advanced instruments, BE in mechanical. The department was started in the year 1998, and it also offers ME manufacturing engineering. The staff and students participate in various funded consultancy work and projects from both private and government agencies. The Department of Information Technology was established in the year 2001. There are three main labs in this department, namely Advanced Computing Lab, Grid Computing Lab, and Networks Lab. Eminent personalities that have visited the college: Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. G. Madhavan Nair, Indian researcher, Dr. H. Devaraj, Vice Chairman UGC, Dr. Dave Irwin Halliday, University of Calgary, Canada, Dr. Tessie Thomas, Missile Lady of India. Key facilities of our campus: excellent laboratories, 100 Mbps internet connection, Wi-Fi, library, transport, sports and games, food court, hostel for boys and girls, college activities, NCC.
I would like to introduce myself as a proud NCC cadet. It's an amazing experience being trained and being a part of the CSI NCC unit. One of our greatest achievement is our senior under officer has been the first NCC cadet to represent Nilgiris in the Republic Day program Delhi 2018. We are being grown up as capable, young, patriotic citizens. Fellowship brings us closer to God. Yes, the fellowship in CSIC has touched and changed many students' lives. The chapel and prayer cell is a lifeline to our day. We start our day with the presence of God, and that's why we succeed in everything we do. It's just not a fellowship. Yes, it's a spiritual family.
Our beliefs are not only on the grades but also on the invisible ingredients in all our activities. The college not only focuses on the efficient of a person in his academics and grades, but also brings the extra talents in them and provides extracurricular activities.
Eco Green Club.
Global warming is the greatest threat that our nature is facing nowadays. There are scientific consensus that the climatic changes are due to the global warming. And this is due to the rapid rise in the planetary temperature. Our college has made tremendous effort in creating awareness among the people through our Go Green campaigns. And these campaigns have been held in and around the Nilgiris. We have given away free saplings to the people as a symbolic representation to save our nature. And this wouldn't have been possible without our staff, who were, who are, and who will be the greatest support of our students.
We have so many people. You name any company in the world, we have someone from CSI who is working for this company. So you have an edge over the other students who are studying in the normal colleges when compared to this celebrous environment. So we welcome you to this campus and hope your stay in this campus for the rest of the 4 years be fruitful. Thank you.